Hi, this is Margot Antone, and I am redoing problem number 2, subtracting mixed fractions with the same denominator. This is problem number 2, 6 and 2/8 minus 4 and 5/8. I'm not going to give you the answer to that, so I'm going to pick a similar one. I'm going to do 7 and 5/6 minus 3 and 6/6. So whenever you have a fraction problem, adding or subtracting, I want you to rewrite it on a piece of paper and follow along with me. Okay, so you're going to rewrite it like this. Okay, see the whole number is large and the fraction has to be the same size as the whole number. I'm going to put the minus sign here, and then we're going to put the 3 large again, and then again the fraction same size as the whole number. Just so you know, this is a whole number, this is the denominator, and this is the numerator. This is the whole number, denominator, numerator. When you're subtracting, the first thing you want to do with fractions is see if this fraction has the same denominator as the other one. In this case, we have a 6 and a 6, and they are the same. Also in subtracting, the higher number, the one up here, the numerator has to be higher than this numerator. And that is not the case. So it's a little different than question number 1, where this was higher and we could just subtract. In this case, we can borrow to make the 5 larger. We can borrow from the 7. And the way we do that, it's kind of tricky. So this can also be written 7 plus 6/6 plus 5/6. This is because the 6/6 actually equals 1. Anytime you have a number over a number, that equals 1. So we have 7 plus 6/6 plus 5/6. You can do that in your head because 6 has the same denominator as 6, so we can keep that on the bottom. And all we have to do is add 6 plus 5, which is 11. Sorry, this was wrong. 6 plus. We have to bring that down to a 6. So again, 6 plus 1 plus 5/6 is 11/6. It's the same as 7 and 5/6. So we need to rewrite the fraction. 6 and 11/6 minus 3 and 6/6. Now, you still have the same denominator. You put that down here. Now we can subtract 11 minus 6 is what? 5. And now we can do 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer for 7 and 5/6 minus 3 and 6/6 equals 3 and 5/6. So if we go to the problem number 2, I'm not going to do it for you. We have 6 and 2/8 minus 4 and 5/8. Now if you need to pause and rewrite that on your paper, go ahead and do that. On scratch paper, you need to write it exactly like that. We have the same common denominator, but we cannot say 2 minus 5, can we? So you're going to have to borrow and change the fraction to be 5 plus 8/8 plus 2/8. What is that? 5 plus 8 eighths plus 2 eighths. Well, you keep the 5 whole, but you have to add 8 plus 2 is 10, right? 10 eighths. So instead of 6 and 2 eighths, we're going to rewrite the fraction to be 5 and 10 eighths. So now we have to rewrite this whole thing. 5 and 10 eighths minus 4 and 5 eighths. Now we have the same denominator, so you just put that below. Now you can minus 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? Put that right there. What is 5 minus 4? That should be your answer right here for number 2.